မင်္ဂလာပါကျွန်တော်နာမည်ခိုင်ပြီးလို့ခေါ်ပါတယ်ကျွန်တော်နာမည်ရေးရငင်းဇာခိုင်ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒါကကျွန်တော်ရဲ့လုပ်ဖော်ဆောင်ဖက်စီစီလီယာလို့ခေါ်ပါတယ်ကျွန်တော်ညက Catholic Charity ဒီနေ့ဇွန်လ20ရက်နေ့နေ့လယ်တနာရက်နေပြီး4နာရီအတွင်းမှာ6ဆောက် Oklahoma City မှာကျွန်တော်လုပ်တဲ့ World Refugee Day ဖြစ်ပါတယ်လို့ဒီနေ့ကဆိုရင်လူမျိုးများစွာလာပြီးတော့ Refugee Day မှာလာဆင်နွှဲကြတာဖြစ်ပါတယ်လူမျိုးမြောက်များစွာလာပြီးတော့ကပွဲဆင်ထဲမှာရှိတယ်လို့အချင်းဆိုတာလည်းရှိမှာဖြစ်တယ်စားဆိုင်လည်းမြောက်များစွာရှိပါတယ်မလာသေးသူရှိဆိုရင်လာခဲ့ပါလို့လည်းဖိတ်ခေါ်ချင်တယ်ဒီနေ့ကကျွန်တော်တို့အတွက်အကောင်းဆုံးသောပျော်ရွှင်ဆုံးသောနေ့ဖြစ်ပါတယ်လို့ရောက်စီတိုင်းကိုပြန်ပြီးတော့ဖိတ်ခေါ်ချင်ပါတယ်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်
Refugee ကြီး camp ကမ်ဘဲမီတဲ့ camp ကိုနိုဆတ်ငယ်ကိုတူနေနာကတိ charity လေ YWC တဲ့ကိုရမကိုင်နာတော့တူနေ World Refugee Day တက ORU Christ Chapel တူနေနိုင်ခတ်ပနာနိုင်လေးအကဘော်လေးနာမိခဲပြုံလုံးပိုင်နာငွနာဝမမောင်ငယ်တကနေထိတော့တဲ့ဆိုရင်နာဒီတကစံတုံတုံပတ်တိုင်းဆိုရင်နာတော့ကြကြနာဒီကျမိုင်ခနာတုံတုံပတ်အဲဆိုရင်နာအောင်ပိုင်နာထိတော့ပွိုင်တမ်ပိတာဘူးတူတာတမ်ပိတာလေဒါမနာတွမ်มีน้ำแข็งเปรี้ยวดำนางี้นะด้านเตะเพื่อกากีที่หิมันเนี่ยนะมันละกังไปไม่งุ่นน้ำไปได้เกี่ยวกับสองชิ้นนะมึงเกณฑ์ว่ามึงเองนั่นไม่
ခုတ်ကြည့်ပြီးတော့ကြိုဆိုကြရအောင်လက်ခုပ်လေးလည်းကြည့်ပေးကြရအောင်
Thank you. Ame kupatia, kupatia, kupatia. Ame kupatia, kupatia, kupatia. Ame kupatia, kupatia, kupatia. Ame kupatia, kupatia, kupatia. Ame kupatia designer ya kufanya mambo mengi. Hiyo ndiyo designer ya Mungu amekupa umbo, kila kiungo kina kazi yake, kama vile miguu na mikono. Amekupatia designer ya kufanya mambo mengi. Hiyo ndiyo designer ya kumutukuza. Onyesha ya designer, bang 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 bang. Onyesha ya designer, bang 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 bang. I am in the image and likeness of Jehovah Shammah. Abba the designer, my strength and my comfort. With the eyes I can see, with the nose I can breathe, and the mouth I can touch, with the hands I can touch, legs I can walk, and ears to listen. I am in a designer to do very special kind of work. And greatness of all is some God with what He has given me. But yes, I am designer, designer, worship Baba. But yes, I am designer, designer, some my God. I have been fashioned and modeled in the very best way. And that is a designer I'd like to thank God for. Have you ever noticed in you've got lots of energy to jump up about, shout out aloud. Sometimes you kick in the air. The question is, do you know why? The answer is right in you. You are created to serve the Lord on high. I know that you know you also got love in you. You got to keep it burning. That is a designer to you from up on high. And yes, you are designed to love like God. And yes, you are designed in the image of God. You got the potential to serve Him in various ways. And that is a design you've got to put to use. Thank you.
Tuam pada minam kim, Zomi beci, keci nai dah kecil kain, kol Myanmar bek pinat pai kol mina, gam nang pada tuam tedang tu nang pai kol mi ci tuam kiano mengai. Lah ya, siapa cing tete iya, contohnya pen, job corp kecil lalu tiang oleh dan hile, hile high school katina. Di na Chinเนี่ยเป็นเราจะปอกเป็นที่น่าสร้างไปน่ะน่าสะพายปีๆอ่ะตัวที่จะตุ้งล้ำต้องสมเทวี
สร้างน่าอุปถัมภ์เป็นกลุ่มซ้อมและกลุ่มบ้านกลุ่มซ้อมลีดลีที่กาวหิอินะว่าเลย low income ลีก็ว่าขัดสน high income ต่อที่ใส่ว่าแต่นี่นะสร้างคลาสเตเป็นยะบังคับ training แต่ที่ตั้งกินอ่ะอันวันน่ะต่อ pharmacy tech ต่อ CNA license ต่อ facility maintenance ที่รัฐบาลดังแล้วก็ carpentry ก็เลย home and security ที่ตั้งกินอ่ะนี่นะ information แต่งไม่ได้รายว่าอะไรที่ phone number อ่ะต่อแทนphone number เป็นยากว่าขัดยากงากว่าขัดงากงแปมกว่า
Hi, my name is Rachel at Chivara Hill, and I'm with Tulsa Community College. We're excited to be here today at World Refugee Day, and we just want to let you know that Tulsa Community College is a great place to get your start, whether you need skills to go straight into the workforce or whether you're interested in getting an associate degree to transfer to finish your bachelor's degree elsewhere. We offer over 228 different degree and certificate programs, as well as offerings in English as a second language. So wherever you're coming from, feel free to contact us. Our number is 918-595-7834. Thanks.
My name is Grace Burke and I'm with Morton Comprehensive Health Services. We're here today at the World Refugee Day celebration to share what we do here at Morton, to ask people if they have health care, if they need to see a doctor, that So if you'd like to come to us and you don't have a way to get there, we would like to pick you up and bring you home. We would love for you to come and see us. We have providers of every kind. We have a WIC clinic, and if you don't have insurance, we can help you enroll in insurance. Please come and see us at Morton Comprehensive Health Service.
Hi, my name is Shirley. I'm with the WIC program for the Tulsa Health Department. It's a nutritional supplemental program for women, infants, and children.
My name is Jennifer Daves, and I'm the District Title III Program Coordinator at Jinx Public Schools. I work with English language learners, which are students who come into the district who are unable to speak English, and our goal is to help them learn English and to learn the same high achievement content standards as all of our others.
My name is Ryan Choplin. I'm actually a physician assistant. I work at Utica Park Clinic, and I am proud to be invited to World Refugee Day here at ORU. My clinic specializes in family medicine and pediatrics, and we just like to help out the community so that they can be happy and healthy.
My name is Debbie Davis, and this is Taylor Davis. We're here representing Glenpool Schools. We brought along with us some information from the Chamber of Commerce. We have some wonderful homes that families have been buying in the area. We brought some maps and some information about Glenpool. This is a great day for the refugees here in Oklahoma, and I hope
I'm with the Tulsa Health Department and the Oklahoma Medical Reserve Corps. What I'm here today to talk about is emergency preparedness. We want you to get your family prepared for disaster, and we're here to give you some information on how to do that. One of the other things that we offer is the Oklahoma Medical Reserve Corps. We're a group of volunteers that help out in times of disaster. So if you would like to help your community during a disaster, we would urge you to join us now to pre-identify and pre-credential yourself before the disaster happens. It's a very simple process. All you need to do is go to our website at www.okmrc.org and fill out the application and take the orientation. That will cue your background check, and once that comes back successfully, then we'll send you training opportunities, and if a disaster were to hit your community, we would ask you to come and assist your local neighbors and friends. If you have any questions concerning emergency preparedness and how to keep your family safe in disasters such as tornadoes or wildfires, please come to the Tulsa Health Department or the Oklahoma Medical Reserve Corps.
Hello, my name is Heaven Kupik, and I am the Refugee Coordinator for Tulsa County, and I work with the Tulsa Health Department. This is Luan, my translator, and we are here today to discuss World Refugee Day and celebrate the refugees. Also, like I said, I work at the Tulsa Health Department, so I am here to just say what all of our programs we have to promote.
My name is Michael Velasquez. I'm a member of the Tulsa Fire Department. We're doing a community event today for a Refugee of the Day camp here at Oral Roberts University. As a member of the fire department, it's very important to have community involvement. Come out here and get a chance for the opportunity, get a chance for kids to come out here and see a side of the fire department they might not seldom see. Have the public come out here and interact with us, take a look at the truck, see some of the equipment we use on a daily basis, and so that's what we're doing here today.
Well, I want you guys to understand, everyone here, that the police department wants to work with you to let you know that we are here to help you, and that no matter what part of the country, the world you are from, that the Tulsa Police Department wants to build bridges with a new community like yourself and people like yourself, and to let you know that it is important that we do, so that you're not afraid to report crime and not afraid to work with the police department in solving crime.
I'm Jennifer Lockhart with the Tulsa City County Library System. We're here today with our different library materials, and I am an ESL literacy specialist. So we do provide services for people to learn to speak, read, and write English better. And we do have free tutors and conversation circles, library cards, and all the information of the services the libraries provide.
My name is Greer Fights. I'm representing Family and Children's Services here at World Refugee Day. We provide a huge range of services at Family and Children's for children and adults. Everything from gambling services and substance abuse, mental health services, crisis care. I work with the adult programs that are all of those things, and this is Curtis, who works with children's programs.
And Family and Children's Services, we provide services for 1 in every 6 Tulsans. And I personally get to work with the early childhood programs, which is kiddos age 0 to 5.
I'm Diana Keithley from the YWCA Tulsa. I'm the Language Services Manager over the classes that we hold, and we're celebrating World Refugee Day.
We just want to tell everyone thank you for coming. June 20th is World Refugee Day around the world, and this is the first celebration for Tulsa, Oklahoma, and we're so happy that our great Burmese community could come and attend. So thank you, everybody.
Hello, we'd like to just thank you so much for being here, Zomi International TV, for promoting this event.